Think indexing an array field works like any other index. Think again. When you index an array field, MongoDB automatically creates a multi-key index. Instead of one index entry per document, it stores a separate entry for each element in the array. A tags array with 5 values gives you 5 index entries, all pointing to the same document. The same logic applies to arrays of embedded documents. This lets MongoDB efficiently answer array queries, a simple containment check. Find all documents where tags includes MongoDB. Uses the multi-key index directly. $elemMatch queries, where one element must satisfy multiple conditions at once, also benefit from the same index. There's a key limitation with compound indexes. You cannot index 2 array fields together. Try combining a tags array and a categories array in one compound index, and MongoDB will throw an error. At most 1 field per compound index can be an array. All these extra entries come at a cost. Each write to a document with an array forces MongoDB to update 1 index entry per element. This drives up index storage size and write latency, growing worse as arrays get larger. Indexing a MongoDB array creates a multikey index, efficient for queries, costly for writes, and restricted in compound indexes. Keep practicing. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.